In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a PDF from Google Drive. This is a simple process that can help you save important documents for offline access. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser. If you're using Google Chrome, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You will see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots. Click on this icon to reveal a menu of Google services. This action is important because it gives you quick access to all your Google apps, including Google Drive. You want to ensure you're in the right place to find your PDF files. Next, from the menu that appears, find and click on the option labeled Drive. This will take you directly to your Google Drive where all your files are stored. Once you click Drive, you will see a list of your files and folders. This step is crucial as it leads you to the location where your PDF file is saved. It keeps everything organized and allows you to easily manage your documents. Now it's time to locate the PDF file you want to save. Look through your list of files and folders. If you have many files, you might want to use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the name of the PDF. Find the file visually or through the search function. This step is significant because knowing where your files are saves time and effort. You don't want to spend too long searching for the document you need. Once you have found the PDF file, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up with several options. Look for the option labeled Download, which is represented by a tray icon with a downward arrow. Click on this option to initiate the download process. This step ensures that the file will be saved to your device. It also allows you to access the file anytime, even without an internet connection. Alternatively, if you prefer a different method, you can double-click the PDF file to open it in a preview screen. This preview allows you to see the content of the file before downloading. After the file opens, look for the download icon in the top right corner of the preview window. Click on this icon to download the file. This alternative method is useful if you want to quickly check the document before saving it. It provides reassurance that you are downloading the correct file. In conclusion, downloading a PDF from Google Drive is straightforward. You simply need to navigate through your browser, locate your file, and choose your preferred method of downloading. Each step is designed to make the process as smooth as possible. You can now save your important documents and access them easily. Thank you for following along, and happy downloading!